Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your FuboTV account. So to do that, let's head on to our Google and search for FuboTV. Alright, so here you can see FuboTV. Just click on this website. Alright, I'm just going to do that again. FuboTV/sign in. Alright, so once you have done that, here you can see you have the option to sign up. Just click on sign up, and over here you can see we are on step 1 of 3. So just click on next, and here you have to enter your email, password and your home zip code. So I'm just going to do that, and now select your password, and here we have to enter our home zip code. Alright, after you have entered all your details, just click on continue. Alright, so we have successfully logged in, and here our second step is to choose a plan. So here just click on next. Alright, so over here you can see we have different plans. So we can do Pro, Light, Ultimate or Latino. So I'm just going to select any option, and over here just click on continue, and here you can choose your plan option. So you can pay monthly or pay quarterly, so you can just choose any one you like. Click on next, and this is our last step. So all you have to do is set up your payment. So you can either do credit or debit card, or you can just continue with the PayPal as well. So all you have to do is fill in the details over here, and then click on start free trial, and your FuboTV account will be created. So that is how you can create FuboTV account. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.